In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a subtitle track in DaVinci Resolve. This is a very quick and useful editing task, especially if you want to add captions, subtitles, or on-screen text in a more organized way inside your project. Using a dedicated subtitle track helps keep everything clean on your timeline and makes it much easier to manage your subtitles separately from your video and audio clips. To begin, go to your timeline in DaVinci Resolve. This is the area where all of your video, audio, and editing layers are arranged. If your project is already open, just look at the lower section of the interface where your tracks are displayed. You'll want to make sure you can clearly see your existing video tracks because that's where this process starts. From here, look at the track area on the left side of the timeline or anywhere along the section where your video tracks are visible. Right-click on any video track. It doesn't matter which video track you choose for this step because you're simply opening the Tracker Options menu. This menu gives you several timeline-related actions, and one of them is the option you need for subtitles. When the menu appears, choose Add Subtitle Track. As soon as you click it, DaVinci Resolve will create a new subtitle track in your timeline. And that's it! The subtitle track is now added and ready for you to use. Once the track appears, you can start placing subtitle items onto it and continue building your captions from there. The main advantage of doing it this way is that subtitles stay on their own dedicated track, which makes your project easier to organize and adjust later on. If you don't immediately see the new subtitle track, take a second to look through the timeline stack carefully, since it may appear in a slightly different position depending on your current track layout. Keeping your timeline zoomed out enough can also help you spot it more easily. So again, the process is simple. Go to your timeline, right-click on any video track, and select Add Subtitle Track. That's the fastest way to create a subtitle track in DaVinci Resolve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you get your subtitle track added quickly and easily.